Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you connect LinkedIn with other apps. You need to understand that you can connect LinkedIn with other apps like Microsoft Outlook or Teams directly with those apps by signing in and granting a permissions. All you have to do is, now you must have actually seen in a lot of cases, you would see continue with email, continue with Facebook, something like that, right? So what you could do is here, in this case, you could simply click on continue with LinkedIn. And when you press on continue with LinkedIn, you will be asked to type in the credential of your LinkedIn account. So for the credential, you could either type in your username, email address, or a phone number and the password associated with that. And when you enter in the following information correctly, then you'll have successfully connected your LinkedIn account with other app. So this is the procedure and how you could connect LinkedIn with other apps. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.